Hey, what's up everybody? In today's video, we're going to be installing this heat shield that we got from eBay. So, you know, it goes along with the eBay build. It's shiny. We're going to be probably covering this with heat wrap tape though. Same thing with the intake because it gets awfully hot. As you know, hot air intake. I wanted to like extend this, but that's why I added the freaking vent just to add something to cool it off. But it looks like you gotta put everything together, so we gotta assemble this, but then it'll be, you know what I mean, keep it like shielded. So all right, I'm gonna get this put together. All right, so here's the hardware.
Yes.
Alrighty, let's see, it's gonna fit right over that. It's okay that it's not like going down on this side because I want it to be facing like the engine more, you know? So these hoses need to kind of move out of the way. So let's see if I can't move some stuff around in here. Over the top. All right, guys, I think this is the best we're gonna get, but that should help at least a little bit. Looks kind of funny, but I kind of wanted to leave this so that it, you know, has the air, can suck the air from all in there. I'd rather have it over this way, trying to keep the heat on this side of the engine bay so that this half will at least hopefully stay cool. I mean, we got the vents and we got the hood spacers. And then, like I said, you know, we got our little homemade cooling setup going on down here. You can actually see it in here if you look carefully. It's right there.